my channel. So today we are going to see what happened in today's market, as well as some analysis which could help us to predict what happened in tomorrow market. So let's take Nifty first. So here I'm going to explain you about a comparison between August and September. Okay, now let's get started. I'll just squeeze in. So this is basically 1 hour candle, and then you could see week 1, 2, 3 and 4. So open was here, the downside SL is hunt, the upside SL is hunt, again the close almost equal, you could see. So this was a positive decay month. Now when you check for September, open is here, and then it is trying to do a uptrend pattern, and also the put writers are slowly gaining. Let's wait and watch. So this fall drift was because of the US tariff news. Let's wait and watch what happens. Okay, now we have Bank Nifty. This is pretty clean. Bank Nifty is drifting down. So this is August month, and then you could see open and close till 3 weeks was very good, but this was because HDFC had new split bonus as well as fall, and then we had the US news as well. September month pretty superb. The support of the August month is very good, and yeah, 2 times the buyers have already taken market, put writers have taken market up, but I don't know if it would sustain or not based on the news which we are seeing. So we have to wait and watch. Otherwise this Trump is ready to make, sorry. Okay, let me take the general stuffs. I will try to brief it up. Okay, so we are starting off with the stocks, and then you can see Tata Steel, Hindalco and JSW Steel are topping the chart, and Tata Steel 167, which is very good, 5% up due to the news. Infi, Nestle and HDFC Life are on the negative sides. We'll see the pre-open market. So it was actually a flat open for Nifty. When you check for Bank Nifty, it was flat open. When you check all, so this was actually giving us an overall sideways view. So you could see, yeah. Okay, now we will move on to the FII chart, which is going to give us more insight on FII. And hopefully we should get the data of, okay, so the 3rd September data is not available, so I would just upload that as a short. But here you could see the buy and sell for the index long and short. Still people are very bearish with our markets. Now we'll take Sensible website to check the latest news. So here for 4th September we have USA based news, which would impact our market in the afternoon when US markets are on. And then for 4th September we have ONGC, Oil India Limited and NTPC dividends. Okay, so we have to have a keen watch on them. And then we don't have any holiday on September. Next is on October 2, that is Gandhi Jayanti. This is the overall OI. Put writers are slowly increasing in the overall as well as total. When you check for monthly positions, here also they are showing us a sideways prediction. Okay, same pattern for Finnifty and Midcap Nifty, you can do it. I'll just show you a gist of how I do for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Similar pattern, you can observe them. Bank Nifty overall position sideways today. The put supporters are more, as you can see in the chart. Now we'll go to the straddle, where we are going to see how the straddle has worked. Let's do a small price action comparison. Nifty open was okay, so here I'm taking 1 hour chart. When you could see Nifty open was 600. Okay, so let's increase the count, and I'll take 600 and unselect rest of the option strikes. And you could see it was a positive trade because it was week 1 day 1. Let me just write it here. Okay, so I have to change the color. So this is week 1 of September and day 1. Because of the new expiry changes every Tuesday, from Thursday it shifted to Tuesday. Okay, so this is open 280, close is somewhere around 260. So positive decay is 20 points, and one lot for Nifty is 75. So this times this is 1500 plus tax and brokerage, which is a profitable trade. So today it's a profitable day for first week. Okay, so 280 is a very good start for Nifty, and expiry you can check here. Price action is pretty similar. You could see it was uptrend, though it is showing a positive decay because the decay for the first day will be very slow. Now we'll move on to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty open was 600. So let's take 53,600. Unfortunately is not available because it was very trending, and definitely that would be a negative close. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you. Keep supporting my channel.